How to unlock your Capital One debit card. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in Capital One login and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Click on the very first one, Capital One sign-in, open it. With that, you will be directed to the login page. Now from here, you have to log into your account. Capital One Financial Corporation is an American bank holding company specializing in credit cards, auto loans, banking, and saving accounts headquartered in Amsterdam, Virginia with operations primarily in the United States. Capital One is a full-service bank offering competitive rates and no-fee accounts to fit most banking needs. To unlock your debit card, firstly you'll need to log into your account, so type in your username and then type in the password. Once you type in, click on the option of sign in, and with that you will be logged into your account. Once you log in, you will land to the homepage of the bank where you can see the option of 360 checking view account option. Click on that. Once you click on that option, you will land to next page where you can find different options. Click on the option of account services and settings. Under that, you will find different sections. Head towards the section of manage debit card. Under that, you will find the option of unlock your card. You have to click on it. You'll get the pop-up unlock card. Click on yes, unlock my card. With that, your debit card will be unlocked. So this way you can easily unlock your Capital One debit card. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.